Hi, and welcome to the fourth episode of the Dougherty County School System is Going Google video series, an introduction to Google Calendar. Google Calendar is the G Suite app that will save you time and keep you organized. You can easily schedule a meeting or event and get reminders about things that need to be done. In addition, Google Calendar is designed for teams, allowing you to easily share your schedule and create multiple calendars from which your group can work. Finally, your Google Calendars are internet-based, so they are available wherever you are with any device that has an internet connection. Let's get started with scheduling an event on your calendar. Scheduling an event in Google Calendar is relatively easy. Simply click an empty time slot in the calendar grid or click the Create button to open a quick entry box. For the quick add, simply type the title in the appropriate space and check the date and time. If you need to make changes, you may do so here. Then check the type of entry that you are creating. An event is a meeting or activity. Out-of-office events will appear to be lighter in color in your calendar and will trigger the calendar to automatically refuse invitations sent for that time. Reminders will create an event with a Mark as Done box that will move from day to day on your calendar until you mark it complete. And appointment slots create specific periods of time that others may sign up for with you from a given web page. After you have chosen the type of event, confirm the calendar you are using from your list. Next to your name, you can click the down arrow and select a different calendar if needed. Once you have confirmed all the information in the quick add box, you can click more options to add more details to your entry or click save to enter it on your calendar. Once something is added to your calendar, simply click on it to receive all the information that has been added. You can also edit the event by clicking here and it will open the More Options area. In the More Options area, you can set up a recurring event, find a time that you and your coworkers are all free for a meeting, or add event details such as the location. Notice that as I begin to type within the location area, I have the power of Google behind me and it will add the address to the location. When you go to the information area for this event, it will provide a Google map and driving directions to that location. You can also set up notifications and video conferencing through Google Meet. And you can add details to the description area, such as the contact information, instructions, or links for your event. You can format information within this using the bold, italics, and underline area, but note that you cannot add images to this description area. To do that, you must add attachments. When you ask to add attachments, you can either attach files such as documents and presentations, or you can upload images to your events. Once you have finished creating all the information in the More Options area, simply click Save and this will create your event. Once you have set up your calendar, you can share it with others. When you share your calendar with someone, you can decide how they see your events and whether they can also make changes such as adding or editing events. To do this, click the Settings cog at the top of the page and Settings. On the left, select the calendar you would like to share and choose Share with Specific People. Click Add People and enter the email address or names of the people you would like to add. Once they are added, choose the sharing permission option that you would like them to have. See only Free and Busy Hide Details has the least amount of access, with the person only seeing your scheduled blocks. See All Event Details gives view-only rights to your user. Make changes to events allows the person to edit events, but not the people in your calendar. And make changes and manage sharing gives the most access to your user, allowing them to edit both events and people. Once you have decided what type of access you'd like the person to have, click send and an invitation will be sent to them. Just as you share your calendar with others, you may want to add a coworker's calendar to yours in order to see their schedule and find common open times for meetings. On the left, click the Add Calendar area and start entering the person's name or email address. Select the person from the list. If the person set up their calendar for sharing, it will appear in your list of calendars, and that person's events will also appear on your calendar. If the person doesn't have Google Calendar set up to share, you will add a request and send an invitation. Once you have added your coworker's calendar, quickly check their availability by clicking the box next to their name and changing your view to day. This will allow you to see their calendar next to yours, and you will be able to look for common open times. You can do this with several coworkers' calendars at once by checking all of the boxes next to their names and clicking day for the view. The calendars appear next to each other so you can easily see when everyone is free at the same time. We hope this video has given you a good start on learning to manage your calendar and share it with others. Calendars will not be migrated as part of the Google conversion, so be on the lookout for instructions and a video that will help you to export your calendar from Outlook and import it into Google Calendar. Happy scheduling!